Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this chapter, immunology, we have discussed already about what is immunity and what are the components of the immune system. We also learned in detail about the structure of the antibody. Okay. So in this class, we'll discuss about what is this antigen-antibody interaction. So this is the interaction between antigen and antibody. That is, whenever a pathogen, which is also called as antigen, when entering into our body, antibodies are produced. Okay, so this antibody production due to the entry of the antigen, which is called as antibody-mediated immunity. We learned about the two types of immunity: antibody-mediated immunity, which is also called as humoral immunity. The other immunity is cell-mediated immunity. So in antibody-mediated immunity, from the name we can understand, antibodies are produced due to the entry of the antigen. But in the other case, that is in the cell-mediated immunity, no antibodies are produced. Instead, cells themselves will destroy antigen. Okay, so this is the major difference between humoral immunity or antibody-mediated immunity or the other type, which is called as cell-mediated immunity. So in this immunity, that is in the humoral immunity, so this reaction, antigen-antibody reaction, is the basis, which is the base for the humoral immunity. That is the reaction between antigen and antibody, which is the base for the antibody-mediated immunity or the humoral immunity. Okay, we'll discuss now what are the stages that occur due to the entry of the antigen. So in the first stage, there are three stages. So in the first stage, the reaction that is due to the entry of the antigen into the body, antibodies are produced. Immediately after that, the first step, antigen-antibody complex is formed. So this is the first stage in this antigen-antibody interaction. That is, antibodies which are produced due to the entry of the antigen will immediately form the complex. So this complex is formed by antigen and antibody. And next stage, so this is the first stage, the complex formation. And the next stage, there are some events that occur, like precipitation, agglutination, etc. Okay, so this is the second stage. And the final stage that includes, that is the destruction of the antigens or its neutralization. So antigens are either destroyed or they are neutralized. Neutralized means the harmful effects of the antigens. Okay, whatever the chemical substances produced by the antigens will be eliminated. So this is called as neutralization. So please try to understand there are three stages that occur during this antigen-antibody interaction. First stage is the antigen-antibody complex is formed. That is the combination of the antigen and antibody. And the next stage, there are some events that take place like precipitation, agglutination, etc. And the final stage that refers to the destruction of the antigen or its neutralization. Okay, antigens are completely destroyed or the substances, harmful substances which are produced by the antigens will be neutralized. That means they are eliminated. So we'll discuss now what is the binding force of antigen-antibody reaction. So what force is responsible for this antigen-antibody reaction? So the binding force between the antigen and antibody, it is due to three factors. It is not the one factor. There are three factors which are responsible for the binding between antigen and antibody. So first factor is the closeness between antigen and antibody. That is, antigen and antibody must be close to each other. So how much ever is the closeness, that much will be the force. So they are close together. Antigen and antibody are close together. So this is the first factor for this antigen-antibody reaction. And the next factor is the non-covalent bonds. There are some bonds, non-covalent bonds or intermolecular forces which are responsible for this antigen-antibody reaction. And the third factor is the affinity of antibody. Affinity, it refers to the attraction of the antibody towards the antigen. So these are the three factors. That is closeness between antigen and antibody, non-covalent bonds or intermolecular forces, and antibody that is the affinity of the antibody.